Good morning, rockers. This is it, finally, day one proper of our Wild Atlantic Way adventure. And it is pretty much, day one is the same as day zero. We've got a bike down already, which we're working on. Thankfully, we've got Adrian, who is an absolute legend, keeping some of these bikes on the road, and Henry as well. But we are a bike down now, unfortunately. But again, Adrian is working hard to get that resolved. So yeah, we've not even properly, because we're at the start point, we've not actually technically started yet. We've had all these issues. Morning, Sarah, how you doing? Let me get the boys for you, because they're together here, Sarah. Oh no, here we go. They're here. So just say good morning to Sarah. She's watching.
Good morning, Sarah. I love you.
Look at that view behind you, man. No. There's a grumpy bastard over there that's not allowed down there because it's for golfers only. Otherwise, we'd be all the way over there where I planned in the car park. And the other Murphy Senior, Sarah's on board.
Oh yeah.
So start point here, we are, as you can see, a few bikes down because, good morning, Carol. Yeah, I can't say, give you a hello to Kev because it's his bike that's got the problem that's carried over from yesterday, but don't worry, he is absolutely safe. The van is with him right now as the van crew are here so the van crew are doing their job fantastically well. They've gone back to help him out, and they will all be with us here in about 20 minutes. They're all making their way back now. So hopefully in about 20-25 minutes we will all be together and we can actually start this adventure. I mean, it's already been an adventure. I mean, puncture on day one, well, day -1, puncture on puncture on day -2, puncture on day -1, broken alternator on day 0, and then day 1 here. Yeah, well, let's just say yeah. So anyway, let's look at more positive things. Yesterday was a brutal day, long hours, long motorways. It was horrendous, but Ed1 just pulled through and did an amazing job. Thank you to Climber ATV for our coffee stop, much needed, and also to Sixt Van Rental, who've been absolutely brilliant. I'll whack some pictures up later on for them. From here, we're going to go down to Drumbeg Stone Circle for a half-an-hour break. And then from there, it's down to Maidenhead for lunch. And then from Maidenhead up to Glengarriff at Casey's Hotel tonight for our food and accommodation. And although that sounds simple, it's not, because we've got some stunning roads that are going to make where we are now just look like it's an Asda car park, quite frankly. And this is probably the most beautiful Asda car park in the world. But what we're about to go on will be like, I don't know, the Ritz or some kind of posh, I don't know what I'm doing with these euphemisms. They're not euphemisms, they're metaphors, Donna, aren't they? Yeah. I don't know, I'm tired already. But anyway, yes, let's have a look where we are. I'm going to flip you around in a minute so you can see just why I've chosen to do it this way round. Good morning, Paul. Oh, Donna, Paul's there. So yeah, let's show you this. You've had enough of my ugly mug. Now, I'm not going to flip the camera this time because apparently when I do that, the bloody thing cuts out. So I'm going to turn the camera around and very slowly pan. So this is the old head of Kinsale, our start point for the next 11 days on the road, I think it is. Well, I hope it is. I should know, shouldn't I? Really, I'm leading this thing. Anyway. The mist is slowly lifting. And there's a car park there. I wanted to park over there because there was nothing that said you couldn't. But the grumpy bugger on that kiosk down there was like, mate, it's for golfers only. Because, well, only in an Irish accent, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to upset people. But, yeah, it's just golfers only, mate. Can't come in here. Got to turn round. I don't know why he talks like that, but he does. Yeah. And then we've got... Seriously, I'm struggling. We've got our bikers. We've got Lynette and Nick and Alan, Paul, Adam R, who's rocking the onesie today. Look at that for a shot behind you, eh? Wiggle it, baby. For an extra 10k, you'll do that without the gear on. Donna.
I'll do it for free.
You've met this gentleman already. He was over a minute ago. Nathan. Hiding behind there is Chris. And then working hard for Team ROC is Adrian right now. Sorting out some parts. But, I mean, isn't this just stunning? There are worse places to be... Oh, there's a weird drop there. There are worse places to be waiting for a rescue crew than right here. And as I've said, it's only going to get better from here. That is absolutely nothing. What's to come, I'm very, very excited about. So, yeah, to all friends, family, supporters and loved ones. Well, family should be loved ones. Like I said, I'm struggling. It's early. I've not had much sleep. I'm a bit stressed. Forgive my weirdness. But yes, we're all good. We're all safe. We're in good spirits despite yesterday almost killing us with those motorway miles. And I think we're all excited. I'm not going to risk asking them in case they're not. So for now, stay safe, stay awesome, and we will see you in Drumbeg. Say bye. How excited are they? Sort of. Yeah, see, what did I say? They got the ride brief in a minute. That'll bore them to tears. See you guys.